Hi everyone, this is Mike Samuel. Today we are going to discuss how 3D printing has positive effects on global trade in 2022. 3D printing technology enables economies to produce goods locally, so conventional wisdom has been that it would dramatically reduce international trade. However, new University of California, San Diego and World Bank research presents robust evidence that 3D printing expanded trade. According to the study, 3D printing changed production processes, but supply chains remained intact. The study is the first to examine the impact 3D printing has on trade. It looks at hearing aids, prosthetic limbs, and other products that are increasingly being 3D printed. The countries that were early innovators, Denmark, Switzerland, and Singapore, dominate exports of goods. Middle-income economies such as China, Mexico, and Vietnam have substantially increased their market shares. The analysis of 3D printing's impacts on trade is positive, but it has the possibility of being short-lived. If 3D printers become more accessible to local producers or even consumers in some sectors, production could be more localized, hindering development opportunities through trade. Subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon to keep up to date with the global trade news, and until the next news, stay tuned.